In 1 month, exactly. I am leaving for semester at sea. Also, can we get a round of applause for the hat? I picked this up at a farmer's market and I'm actually obsessed with it. Like, how cute. Howdy. Texas, Idaho, you get the best of both worlds. Anyways, welcome back. I'm so happy that you clicked on today's video. Also, subscribe if you are not already because I leave for a semester at sea in September, and once September comes around, I'm off sailing the world, doing school on a ship, like sweet life on deck, and I'm going to so many different countries. Yeah, you're not gonna wanna miss out on it. It's gonna be really good. Today's video is gonna be all about prepping and purchasing a lot of the things that I know I'm gonna need on semester at sea. I've already done my homework. I've watched a bunch of videos, TikToks, listening to what previous voyagers had to say, what they wish they brought, what they recommend bringing. And so yeah, we're gonna make a little Target run. This morning I spent, I think it was like $150 on Amazon. Later in the video, as things arrive, you will see me unbox it and I'll show y'all what I got. But, oh, she's here. But yeah, today we're gonna go to Target. Okay, we're at Target. Also, the dollar section is dangerous, but this is even more dangerous. All the fall stuff. On semester at sea, the only form of communication is through sticky notes because obviously we can't text. So if I'm going somewhere and my roommate has no idea where I'm at, I just leave a sticky note on the door and say like, in Lido deck, on 4th floor, whatever. So, we're in the sticky note aisle. We're gonna go get some. I do have a sticky note thing at home, like I've already unpacked, so maybe I'll just go. We're going with these. Yay! So I'm allergic to everything under the sun. Like, it's really, really bad. And the countries that we're going to, there's gonna be lots of pineapple, shellfish, nuts, everything that I can't have, avocado. So I have to really, really pack a lot of snacks. These are my favorites. So I'm gonna get a pack of these cookies and cream Quest bars. And then I think I'm also gonna get a pack of the pure protein lemon ones because I really, really like those. Oh my god. And this one. Dude, this is insane. 1 gram of sugar. We are not gonna be getting cavities on this ship. Also, for any of my girlies who have permanent retainers like me on my top and bottom, get these. This is how you floss with those. I think I'm gonna bring a toothbrush instead of bringing my electric one. I'm in the little travel size section, which is like God's gift to us. One of the things that's super highly requested is hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna bring like 5 bottles. I'm not here to play around. You already know we're getting Cheez-Its. All right, this is an investment because I don't want to die and drink bad water. So we're getting a Brita. Lex is simultaneously getting stuff for her new apartment.
It's like dorm living, but like better.
And this blanket is plush. Plush. Target is killing it this year.
Like, so this one's mine.
This is so soft. I feel like I could literally sleep on this. Currently on today's adventure, I don't know where I put. Oh my god. That person just hit something. Anyways, I hit somebody's side mirror. So sorry if that was your car. But I think we're getting warmer. That was literally the car there. Come on, Papa, no.
Oh. Mirror count hit 2.
Let's load this. Shout out to the girl that checked us out. She was really, really nice.
She was really sweet.
I hope she has a blessed day. A blessed day.
Look at the rug. Look at this rug. It's like checkerboard. Stuff for that.
What a success.
Really good. Really.
Yay! Target always delivers. Alrighty, we are gonna go back home. We're gonna eat something. Oh no, pause. We're getting our quote from Plato's. Probably made like nothing on them.
$9.
I'm gonna
$9
hope for at least 20.
Yeah, at least.
Let's hope it's at least 20. Yay! Yeah, this was probably one of the best Target runs that I've ever done. And I pretty much showed y'all everything that I got, so I'm not gonna do like a haul. But when my Amazon stuff comes in, I am doing a haul. Hi guys. I'm currently on a Zoom call right now for the Semester at Sea pre-port seminar. Basically, I don't think they can see me or hear me. I really hope that they can because this would be really awkward. Basically, we're just going over like final reminders. This is a line of the staff members, and you guys, I have been obsessed with my new Microsoft Surface 9. I'm not even kidding. The only reason that I've been using my Mac for the past 2 months is because Final Cut Pro is on it, like my editing software. Everything else, every work call that I take, every email that I answer, like I've set up all my accounts on this Microsoft computer, and it's so much better. It's like an iPad. There's like a removable keyboard and stuff. Now that I'm in college, I'm like appreciating this software and pieces of technology that actually work more efficiently. And yeah, so anyways, the Zoom call just finished. They said that there's gonna be a 60s themed party, so gonna need to go shopping for that. I'm gonna bring a shawl and some conservative outfits because we're gonna be visiting countries that, you know, you probably don't wanna be showing your shoulders or some parts of your body. I'm gonna bring a beach towel because they have like in-ship towels, but they can't leave your room. And then once I pack, they suggested that I put everything out on my bed and then cut it in half and take like what I want from there. A couple PR packages came as well, some from Grande Cosmetics, one from the brand, I think it's L'Occitane. I don't even know. I feel like I butcher it every time. But yeah, so excited. The meeting went really well, and I'm gonna run to the gym. All right. There's a lot that we're working with in this closet right now. This closet has a bunch of like PR stuff and I don't know, like random keepsakes from when I was younger, but I've just been accumulating everything that I've purchased. So you guys saw me get all of my snacks, food, all that. But I'm gonna show a couple of things that I ordered from Amazon and just like random stores online. So first off, I got 2 refills of my deodorant. This is the Beauty Counter Clean Deo. I used to use Old Spice deodorant immediately when I switched over to kind of like a more feminine, clean deodorant. The ingredients just worked so much better with my skin, and so I got 2 refills that'll last me the whole voyage. Then I got this folding bucket. One of the previous voyagers recommended getting this because we have to do laundry in the sink. I also got some Travelan. This is in case you get diarrhea, which is like really common apparently. Hopefully I won't ever have to use it, but like, you never know. Then I got a long clothing rack from Amazon. This just stretches across the room, but a lot of times if you're camping, this is really nice because it just has like the long bungee cord and then like the clips, and you just hang your clothes to dry. I already have a travel adapter, but I feel like you can never have too many, especially because the plugs on the ship itself are the European plug. So I got this little guy from Amazon. Then I got some over-the-door hooks. I might place another order for this, but this was highly recommended on the packing list. And also you can hang anything like towels, bags, whatnot. Just a great way to maximize space. Next up, I got a pair of headphones. This is like the old-fashioned headphones for a laptop. My phone doesn't have this plug anymore, but because I'm gonna be editing a lot, I just love the simplicity of the older models of headphones, and so I wanted this for when I edit on the ship. Sony also sent this the other day, which I will be bringing. These are some headphones, really good for noise canceling. Can't wait to try this. And then this has been something that I've had for such a long time and I've never used it, but basically you connect it to your phone and you can take pictures and it like prints the pictures and you can paste it. So I think this will be really good because we can't bring command strips and hang stuff with nails. 2 of these USB-C fast charger adapters. Then I got 2 packs of these travel folding hangers. These are super nice because they expand really big, but then once you like compact them, they can get really small. And I got 24 of these total. Next up on Amazon, I ordered this big variety pack of Annie's Bunny. I'm literally such a kid at heart. This one has like the multi flavors, which this chocolate one is so good. This is the regular cheddar, and then of course we got like a little Cheez-It square dupe. Of course I had to get mouthwash because nobody wants to have bad breath on this ship. Oh, here's another thing that I got. This is a combination lock. So in case I stay at like hostels or even in my Airbnbs, I'm definitely gonna be locking up my stuff. I don't wanna take any chances. As you can tell, I already opened this, but this is a big pack of the Archer mini beef sticks. I already tapped into the supply, but these are gonna be great. I feel like I'm gonna be snacking on these and they're gonna be gone within the first week. If I'm feeling a little nauseous, apparently if you just put these bands on, then you feel so much better. I went school shopping. I already showed in my YouTube video. I'll link it down below. Here we go. Last thing that I ordered from Amazon. This is a big portable charger. haven't taken it out of the package yet. I honestly don't think I'm gonna take a lot of these out of the package, especially these because they're already so compressed, but I'll probably take these out, like the portable charger. That is it for today's video in preparation for semester at sea. I am gonna be going to Texas before I fly out to Belgium, which is where we depart and board the ship. So you're gonna see a whole pack with me video. Don't even worry. This whole preparation has flown by and I'm so freaking excited. But yeah, subscribe for more semester at sea content. Also comment down below anything that you think I may have missed, whether it's supply wise, food wise, or just room decor. I want to hear what you think. Love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.